What's up, everybody? It's Stephen Williams, founder and president of thecreditrepairshop.com, and in today's video, we're going to talk about what it takes to be able to overcome problems that you might be having when you're trying to repair your credit, trying to get out of debt. What I see more and more and more, and that's why I'm making this video, and some people may not maybe you won't like it because I'm not going to go into too much detail about credit repair, so to speak, more than about the mindset that you have to have. And when I look at my clients and I look at the successes versus the people that we just tried over and over again and we're not able to help, it comes down to some things that I see similarities with all of them, like it just across the board. I see this and I have to make this video because this is going to help you ultimately with your credit repair situation, with your debt, and also just moving on in life. You have to pay attention to this because if you're not getting the results that you want from any phase of your life, it's going to come down to some of these things. There's more to it, but this is like getting a jump start on what I see most problems that people have when it comes to making changes in their life. For some reason, and I think it's because of the way that we were brought up, advertisements, all of the things that are around us, all of the signals and information overload that we get into our mind, that we think that the solutions are on the outside of us when the solutions are really on the inside. You have to change yourself on the inside, and then you're going to start seeing different results on the outside. So let's talk about the first thing is you get what you blank deserve. What do you think that is? You get what you blank deserve. And the answer to that is you get what you believe you deserve. So many people don't get things in life because they don't believe that they deserve it. I heard some guy, I think Dave Ramsey, he talks about better than I deserve, or I don't deserve this, and all of these downward phrase thinking, negative thinking about what you believe. You need to believe 100% in what you believe you deserve. If you don't believe it, it's not going to happen for you. You're going to see that things are just not going to turn out the way that you want them to turn out. And if you don't get something, it's going to come down to you don't believe you deserve it. And think about it this way. Everything that you got right now in your life, the things that you have acquired, the good things that have happened to you, the things that you see for your future that you really down deep believe that is going to happen, that shows true belief. That shows true faith in yourself, because that means that you believe that this is already yours. That's the thing, is that my wife and I were talking about something that she's going for a medical procedure. Well, we're going for some tests next week, and then we want things to work out. And what we're doing now in our mind is we're just already imagining that it already happened, like we're visualizing that it happens, because we were thinking when we were driving, we were like, if everything does work out and then 1-2 weeks down the line that becomes the new normal, and what was in the past it goes away really quick. That's how the human mind works. So what you have to do is you have to put yourself into the state of mind that you believe what you deserve to happen, what you want, that you get what you believe you deserve. So you have to get into that state of mind of, I'm going to get it and I believe that I deserve it. The next thing is you must believe in before anyone can believe in you. What is the answer to that one? You must believe in yourself. You must believe in yourself. Let me turn my computer down here. You must believe in yourself. A lot of people that I come across, they say they believe in themselves, but soon as something goes bad, all of a sudden they just fall apart. And again, you can always tell if you really truly believe in yourself by two things. You can look at the results that you're getting in your life. That shows true belief. But then on the other side is that if people can sway you, if people can tell you what to believe in yourself, like they can tell you this about you and you just internalize that and believe it, then you don't believe in yourself. People that believe in themselves are very strong on the inside, and when they go to people and people say things about them, they just let them wash away. They don't, because they understand themselves. Even if things are not happening the way that you want them to happen, because sometimes it takes time to materialize, but you have to have the belief in yourself before other people can believe in you. And if you find yourself where people are not following you, like you come up with ideas, or you're trying to get a new job, or you're trying to start a business, you're trying to do something that's different, the first thing that will happen is that number one, you have to prove that you believe in yourself. And then number two, if people are not coming to you, if they're not attracted to you, it's because they are seeing so much doubt in you. So they will not follow you. They will not believe in you. They will not do anything. They'll just think that, you're just coming up with some crazy idea again. They're not going to have any belief in you. And that comes from you not believing in yourself. Because if you had a strong inner belief in yourself, you will attract people to you. Now, you're not going to attract everybody, but you will attract people to you. Just like you're watching this video, you understand that I have a full confidence and belief in myself first. No matter what anyone says about me, I believe in myself. I'm strong enough on the inside to just let it go away and just continue doing what I believe I need to do. The next thing is control your, that should be an R. Control your what? Control your mind. Control your mind. So many times what I see with people, and this happens with all of us, is that you have to be very careful about the signals that are being fed to you and to us from different TV shows, commercials, billboards, radio stations, internet, websites. It is said that we're hit with about 7,000 different messages on a daily basis, and there's so many that we take that in on a subconscious level. And so what happens is that when you think you control your mind, you actually don't, because the subconscious will overcome what you consciously think about. So what you have to get used to doing is to consciously take control of your thoughts and feed thoughts into your subconscious mind. You do that with repetition. You do that with positive statements. You do that by doing what needs to be done on a daily basis. You do that by starting something and finishing it, seeing things through. You do that by demonstrating to yourself that you fully control every aspect of your mind, because whatever your mind thinks, the body will follow. The results will come from your body. And when you think about it, like a lot of the problems that people run into is that where they don't control their own mind. They let other people tell them what to do. They listen more to what other people say. They don't really think about what is being said to them. They don't really think about what they want to do. They don't really think about planning out their lives. They don't really think about setting goals. They just really just let their mind wander. And if you let your mind wander, what's going to happen is it's going to wander to what is mostly inside of you. And with most people, unless you're already successful, you're going to have fears, doubts, and worries come to the surface, and it's going to stop you from doing what you need to do to become successful. And this is things that I see across the board when it comes to credit repair. This is things that I see when I coach people in business. This is things that even in my own life that I have to be careful about, because if you don't take control, the subconscious will take over, and it will feed things that were put into you from other messages that you've been receiving. So you have to make sure that you control every aspect of everything that you think throughout the day. Now, I know you're not going to be able to do that fully, but you have to, when you catch yourself thinking negative, you have to automatically override that and say, cross that out, and think positive. So let's review real quick. The first one is you get what you deserve, you believe. You get what you deserve, you believe. Deep, deep, deep in the bottom of your mind, in the bottom of your heart, you're going to get mostly what you deserve, you believe. So if you deserve that you only believe, and you believe that you only should make $20,000 a year, not $100,000 a year or $100,000 a month, you're going to get what you believe you deserve. Next thing is you must believe in yourself before anyone can believe in you. If you continually run into problems where it seems like people are not taking you serious, things are not working out for you, it's because they see something in you that you have no confidence in yourself, or maybe you start things and you don't finish. You're demonstrating outwardly with your body, with the way that you're talking, that you don't truly believe in yourself. You have to stand up for yourself to prove that you believe in yourself. The next thing is control your mind. You have to control every aspect of your mind. If you're thinking negative, you have to change that over and think positive. You have to do affirmations. You have to visualize yourself as if your goal has already been achieved, so you can put yourself into that position, and so you can wipe away negative fears, get away from thinking about fear, doubts, and worries, and you'll be able to move forward in your life with anything that you want to do, especially when it comes to credit repair. Because when you look at what most people are facing with credit repair, is they have a financial problem. So the first thing that they're going to think about is like, how can I get out of this situation that I have with my credit? So they reach out to companies, but what they don't do is they don't think about the changes that they got to make from within themselves. So they're actually, in a way, not setting up the situation to work in an optimal way. Now, if they gave it over to a company like ours, where they just said, do the work, and then what you need us to do, what you need me to do, just tell me and I'll do it without question. That is the way that you can set up success. And if you remember one of my older videos, I said that if you have a team, you make a plan and you let the team work the plan, and then if things need to change, the team will rework the plan, but you must allow the plan to work its way through. Part of you allowing the plan to work its way through is to start to change yourself, your belief, what you think you deserve. You deserve to have good credit. Well, a person that deserves to have good credit is a person that's going to allow things that they are not used to experiencing to happen to get them into the position to have good credit. A person that wants to have good credit must believe in themselves. They have to believe that they're going to be able to change what they've done before in the past and set forth a new way of living in the future. Believing in yourself before anyone can believe in you. And then controlling your mind. Controlling your mind that if things are not working exactly the way that you wanted them to work, if results are not happening at the pace you want, that you don't let the fear, doubt, and worry overcome that you continue to do the work that it's going to take. And the way to do that is to do positive affirmations, is to think positive thoughts, to put yourself into the future of having good credit so you can see yourself of how you're going to act when that day comes about. And then you will see that all of a sudden things will start moving in a more positive direction. And then all of a sudden that day will come, and what happened in the past is going to just go away like it was 5 or 10 years ago. That is the way that things happen in life. So if you need help with your credit, or if you have questions, post them below here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're going to be going into more things like this, and also answering questions about debt and credit. And everybody's situation is different. So no matter what type of video I make, there's going to always be questions about your specific situation. So subscribe to my channel, share this with your friends and family, and then post your comments, and then listen to this, watch this video over and over again, because some of the times it takes you a few times to truly understand what I'm teaching you in this video. It's going to take a few times. So, but this is very important. This is the way that I lead my life. This is the way that I teach people that come into contact with me, that ask me questions about how to become successful. So this is some of the most powerful information that I've learned, and I'm passing it along to you. So if you need help with your credit, you can visit our website, thecreditrepairshop.com. If you need your credit reports and scores, there's a link below, your3scores.com, to grab those. And we can also do a review to tell you how we can help you with your credit. So again, this is Stephen Williams, founder and president of thecreditrepairshop.com. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And until next time, thank you.